Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. Today seems like a great day to have a great day, and that's what I plan to do. And today is day 16 of our Advent baggies. And Phoebe, are you ready for a baggie? Come here, little girl. Are you ready? Huh? Are you ready for your baggie? She is so excited. I mean, I really and truly, when I start setting this camera up, and she's going to knock it down. Phoebe, come back over this way. She just gets so excited she can't contain herself. She just is in searching everywhere for her treat. She knows it's coming. Oh my goodness. Yes. I mean, like, I know I've said it 100 times, but I don't know what I'm going to do come January. I'm going to have to put her away or something so I can record. I don't know. She can't just keep having treats all the time because I don't want her to get, like, you know, an upset stomach or whatever. So, I don't know. But her birthday is January the 28th, so I'm going to plan something for her birthday. Come on, Phoebe, get back over here. You ready to get your baggie for today? You ready? Let's see. Let's find it. Let's find it. Let's see what we find right here. Oh, let's see. There you go. Oh my goodness. No. Okay. I'm going to open my day 16 baggie and see what's inside. Oh, so let's see. Phoebe, come back over this way, baby. Let me see what's in here. Okay. So, yeah, I've seen this yarn before. Okay, it's green and pink. It's not a stretchy yarn. It's most definitely that yarn that we used to tie our pigtails with. Because you can tell it's not a stretchy yarn whatsoever. It's that, I can't think of what you call it. You'll know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's not stretchy. It's the same kind of those strands that we used to tie bows and pigtails when I was a little girl. So I'll make a stocking up with that and see how that turns out. And the other thing in my bag was a candy cane. So I might have that a little bit later while I'm working on some projects. Baby, come back over this way. I did read Luke 16 early this morning, and it gave me a lot to think about. It's a interesting chapter, and there's lots to think about in there. So I know that we need to get on a better budget for our home and family. We have cars down that need to be repaired. Jody's truck, like I think I said before, Dakota's not going to repair his car. He's just going to wait and get another car in January or after the first of the year. And so, but we need to get Jody's truck repaired and just, you know, a lot of things going on that we need to set budgets for. So, yes, lots to think about. And I wanted to show you my little stocking wall over here. If Phoebe will come to this side. Oh. I have 15 little stockings up there and all my Christmas cards. Oh, sorry guys. Alright, Phoebe's. Come back over this way, baby. I don't know. But thank you all for watching, and I'm going to let you get going today. And I hope you have a great, blessed day.